We are pleased to show you the 2013 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system, compact spare tire, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, black door handles, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, cruise control, child-proof rear door locks, map lights, cargo area light, floor mats. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.